Hello folks, back again. I think this is day 4, but we missed the whole day on day 3. We got our columns all run. Wife and I did the cement work, and we had a malfunction of the camera. We did get a few pictures, so we'll post them with everything else. Okay, I bought this old cement mixer back in, it was probably about 1980 when we were building our house, and we lived off-grid for a few years, and we had to mix the cement for our house down at my father's place. It was just down the road, but we brought it up there in buckets and just whatever we could find to put the cement in, and we used that for our footings, and then we built our basement with cement blocks from there up. But back here, we had the modern convenience of having a generator. We did have to haul our gravel back here on trailer, and we used the water from the lake to do that. With all it being done by hand, and now we have our cement pillars in place. This will keep it raised up off the ground. They're a lot better than having sitting on blocks. This should stay in place. So today we're going to be tearing the forms down and see how they turned out. Sideways. think we knew what we were doing. They're level both ways. I like it.
What now?
Okay, folks, we're calling it a day. We're getting a little tired, so if you wouldn't mind, smash the like button, share it, give us a thumbs up, tell us what you think of the videos, only positive comments. Okay, goodbye.